Hi everyone, ciao a tutti, bentornati sul mio canale YouTube, sono Bukola. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bukola. So today's video is a quick one. So one of my subscribers told me to talk about this, to talk about the new update on the Italian Citizenship portal website. So I'm just gonna talk about the new updates. Okay, so let's go to the website first, the Italian Citizenship portal website. So I'm just going to type portale ALLE, cittadinanza, which is the website for the citizenship. See, I already even opened it here. So let's go there. Okay. Oppure facciamo così. Okay. So this is the website. This is the new. So if you want to, as you can see, there are little changes on this website. So now there are news about citizenship, anything regarding the Italian citizenship. So, and finally we have this one right here, which is the PagoPa. It's saying that it is now possible to pay the contribution and the marca da bollo, which is the duty stamp for citizenship application via PagoPa, okay, directly from this ALLE citizenship services portal of the Ministry of the Interior when completing the online application form. So it is easier, faster and safer to pay online. Only until July 8th will you be able to pay in the traditional way. Okay, so right now, before you have to go to the tabaccheria to buy your marca da bollo, and you have to go to the post office to pay for the citizenship contribution, which is 250 euros. Before it was 200 euros, and I think now it's 250 euros. So you don't have to, and since they've cancelled the submission of original documents, because before, how it works is that you fill your application and send it online. Then the prefettura will give you a date to come submit your original document. But that has been cancelled. So if you want more information about that, I have a video. Maybe I'm going to leave a card here. I have a video telling you all about that. Okay, so right now it is possible to pay using this PagoPa. So PagoPa is so easy. I use it to pay my children's insurance, school insurances and all that. I even use it to pay my medical bills. So andiamo su Google così vi spiego un po' come funziona questo PagoPa. Okay, so this is the PagoPa website. So you can use it to pay, I think maybe I'm going to do a video, talking more about this PagoPa, because I pay my children's school taxes here. You can even pay, for a whole lot of things with this PagoPa, with PagoPa, okay? So maybe I'm going to do a video specifically for PagoPa, but let's focus more on this Italian citizenship PagoPa. So with PagoPa, you can pay, your citizenship contribution, and you can also pay for your marca da bollo. Okay. So for anyone that doesn't know about this website, this is where you can check your citizenship status. You can check your citizenship application status and everything here to know the phase you have and everything like that. So when you log in, you have to log in with your SPID, with your digital identity. So when you log in, you can even see all the payments, lo storico del pagamento. You can see everything on this website. So right now, things are much easier. PagoPa cittadinanza. So right here, you can even read the the news from this Ministero dell'Interno website that says dal prossimo 25 maggio chi ha richiesto la cittadinanza italiana potrà pagare online il contributo di 250 euro e la marca da bollo di 16 euro direttamente sul portale servizi area cittadinanza del Dipartimento per le libertà civili e l'immigrazione grazie all'integrazione di funzionalità di PagoPa, la piattaforma che garantisce pagamenti elettronici per i servizi dell'amministrazione pubblica. So this has been possible since the 25th of May, which says those that have applied for the Italian citizenship will be able to pay online the contribution of 250 euros and the revenue stamp of 16 euros directly on the services portal that I showed you before. And so thanks to the integration of PagoPa, the platform guarantees electronic payments for public administration services like this one. So you can pay with your credit card, you can pay with your POSTE pay, you can pay with with your debit card with PagoPa. So let's focus on what this is saying. Solo fino all'8 luglio si potrà pagare in modo tradizionale. So, and it also says that here. Okay, what's this saying? You can pay it in the traditional way. So what's the traditional way before? Going to the tabaccaio to pay. You can pay it in tabaccaio, or you can also pay it in the post office to pay for this contribution, this 250 euros contribution. But from the 8th of July, you cannot do that anymore. You have to use the PagoPa to do everything. So you have time until the 8th of July to pay, to do everything the traditional way. Okay, so from the as you can see, a partire dal 25 maggio e fino all'8 luglio in via transitoria sarà ancora possibile utilizzare accanto al sistema PagoPa la tradizionale modalità di scansione e invio. Okay, let me just talk about it. So let me just go straight to the point. So from the 25th of May up to the 8th of July, on a traditional basis, it will still be possible to use the traditional method of scanning and sending. Okay, but from the 8th, it will be exclusively. You can only do that exclusively with PagoPa. Okay, you won't be able to use the traditional method. You can only make your payments online. Okay, so that's it regarding the PagoPa update. Okay, so if you want any news regarding cittadinanza, you just come to this Ministero dell'Interno website, and just come here, read something new, read if there's any new thing you want to know. Just come to this website to read about it. You can also follow il Viminale on Twitter, so to just to know updates about what's happening in Italy or anything regarding immigration and all that. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section, or I don't know if I'll be leaving the comment section open, okay? Or you can send me an email, bukola@gmail.com, okay? So I'm sorry if I've not replied to any of your mails lately. I've just been so busy. I've been so busy. I'm so sorry. Okay, so please bear with me. If I didn't reply, send another one, please. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will see you in my next one. Like this video, subscribe. Ciao.